Now you can see we are starting a new topic today, and that is percent and percentage. What does percent mean? It means for every 100. That means if I am talking about 8%, that means 8 out of 100 is your 8%. Is that clear? I hope you all know what is percentage. Just tell me. Percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100 is called a percentage. For example, 10 over 100 अगर मैं लिख दूं, if I write it 10 by 100, that means 8, that will be 10%, right? 10 over 100, that will be 10%. So you all understand this, I hope, and things will become more clear once we start doing some examples on this. Okay, so let's see. Can you tell me how to write 3 by 5 as percentage? Let's say I have is 3 by 5. So how can you write it as percentage? Tell me, please. So 3 by 5, if I want to convert it into percentage, I will simply multiply it by 100, and this will be 20, and this is 60%. Okay, so what is half then? Half is how much? So how will we do it? Half into 100, and this will cancel out. And that is 50%. That means to convert a fraction into percent, just multiply the fraction by 100 and put a percent sign. That's the simplest way of doing it. And let's say I have 45% and I want to convert it into a fraction. What should I do? So my simple way would be 45 over 100, right? Is that okay? This is 9 by 20. All right. What about 60%? How will I write? Simply 60 over 100. Three by 5, right? 3 by 5. Yes, now you all know this. That's great. Okay, what if I want to write it in decimals? Let's say I have 35% and I want to write it in decimal. How will I write? So simply just write 0.35. So you move decimal to 2 places to left side. Okay, what about if I have 15%, what will be the percent decimal equivalent? 0.15. And what if I have 5%? What will be the decimal equivalent? Right. 0.05. Good, that's right. So now you all are comfortable with this. So let's move to some questions. Okay. So 36 is what percent of 144? This is your question. Tell me the answer. So one is the basic fundamental thing, right? So that comes from the unitary method. So how will we do it? Out of 144, how much? 36. So out of 1, how much? 36 over 144. And out of 100, what? 36 over 144 into 100. This is the basic, because 100 percentage is on every 100. So we brought everything to 100. And this can directly be done as 36 divided by 144 into 100. That's the direct way of writing it. But if you want to understand, so you'll have to understand, okay, out of 144, we need
Sir, your
out
voice
of
is
1,
not clear.
this would be 36 over 144, and out of 100, this would be like this. So this is the basic unitary method, and the direct method is this. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर। इसको ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो, मान लीजिए आपके पास 144 रुपीज हैं, ठीक है, मैंने कहा भाई मुझे 36 रुपीज दे दो, तो आपने कहा भाई ठीक है, अच्छा 144 आपके पास थे, आपने मुझे 36 दे दिए। अगर आपके पास 1 रुपीज होते तो आप मुझे कितना देते? ये यूनिटरी मेथड तो यही बोलता है ना, अगर 1 रुपीज होते तो आप मुझे कितना देते? तो ऑब्वियसली 36 ओवर 144 देते। और अगर आपके पास 100 होते हैं तो क्या करते हैं आप? 36, तो ये तो 1 रुपीज के लिए, और 100 है तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो इतना देते। तो आपके पास सीधा इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? 4 एंड ये गया 25। तो दिस विल बी 25%। यहाँ पे भी यही आने वाला है, 25%। तो इस वे में सोचो। देखो ज्यादा इक्वेशन इक्वेशन के चक्कर में फंसोगे ना, तो फिर मुश्किल हो जाएगी आपको समझने में। बेसिक्स पे जाओ। 100 जस्ट, and we will do more questions, and then you will be able to understand in a better way, don't worry. All right, the question is 50 is what percent of 200? So how will you do it? If you have 200 rupees, let's say you are giving me 50. If you had 100 rupees, how much will you give me? 25, isn't it? No, Arna, too quick. So what will you do? Simply apply this. So 50 over 200 and into 100. So this will be 25%. Let's take one more example. 10 is what percent of 50? Now tell me this. So what will you do? Just think about this. Out of 50, you have 10. So if you had 100, what will you have? 20, isn't it? So 20% is natural. It should come naturally to you. Let's say another question. 5 is what percent of 25? So what will you do? Just think naturally. If I had 25, I will give you 5. If I had 100, then what? Again 20%, 4 times, isn't it? Yes, very true. So again, the basics is 5 by 20, 5 into 100, 4, that is 20%. It is as simple. I am sure you're getting it now. अच्छा तो जल्दी से बताओ, 100 is what percent of 100? Now tell me this. 100 is what percent of 100?
What, sir?
है ना, 100 में से 100 तो कितना 100% हो गया ना, और नहीं तो फिर मेथड वही लगा दो, 100/100 × 100 आ गया। 100%। अभी समझ में आया श्रेया तेरे को? थिंक अबाउट दिस। 20 is what percent of 10? So 20 is what percent of 10? So 20/10 into 100. So this is 200%. I hope now you are getting a hang of this thing. Another answer. 4 is what percent of 20? All right. So all of you are getting it correct now. So simple is 4/20 into 100. Do I need to tell you more? Is it okay? So it is clear to all of you. Okay, right. Let's take some other question. So question is 80 is 32% of a certain number. ये no नहीं लिखा है, number लिखा हुआ है. So what is the number? Tell me, how will you solve it? So how will you solve it? Let the number is X. So now the question is telling you that 32% of X is 80. So what is 32% of X? So 32% of X is equal to 80. So this is how you will get your equation, and then you can solve it. Okay. So X is equal to 25 into 10, that is 250. Is that okay? Another question. 50 is 25% of a certain number. What is the number? Tell me. How will you calculate? So how will you do it? Let the number is 100. Oh, sorry, X. Let the number is X. So 25% of X. How will you write it? 25% of X, and that is equal to 50. So this is 2, then X is equal to 200. Is it clear to you, Vandan? Especially tell me. Okay, let's take another question. 20 is 2% of a certain number. What is the number? So how will we do? Let the number is X. So 2% of X means 2/100, and into X is equal to 20. So X is equal to 10 into 100, that is 1000. Let's another question. Evaluate 16% of 150 minus 25% of 84 plus 8% of 550. Can you do it? Question is simple. Evaluate 16% of 150 minus 25% of 84 and 8% of 550. Check if you can do it. Arna, Sia, wrong. So what is happening? 16% of 150. So 16% of 150, 16 over 100 into 150. Is it clear? Minus 25% of 84, that means 25 over 100 into 84 plus 8%, that means 8 over 100 of 550. So here are your calculations. Let's see how can you do it. 16 over 100 into 150 will give you 24 minus 21 and 44, and if we solve it you get 47. Another question. 55% of 160 plus 24% of 50 minus 36% of 150. What is the answer? How will we do it? 55% of 160, that means 55 over 100 into 160 plus 24 over 100 into 50 minus 36 over 100 into 150. All right. So how will we solve it? This goes 5 twos are 11 and this 8. 88 plus 12 minus so this is what you got. So this is 100 minus 54 and that is 46. Is it right? All those who could not get it, please check.